Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting into safe mode now. Power the Ps5 off fully so the status light is dark. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This tells you safe mode is active. Make sure your dual sense controller is connected with a USB cable, then press the PS button to pair it. Otherwise, the menu won't respond. This initial step gives you access to the recovery options we'll use next. Now navigate the Safe Mode menu with the D-pad or left stick and pick the option that removes your current safe mode loop. If video output is stuck, choose Change Resolution first so safe mode displays correctly. Once resolution is stable, pick Update System Software to apply the latest firmware from USB or Internet. Updates often resolve boot loops. Only use Rebuild Database if the system detects file corruption. And avoid Initialize. To finish, select Restart PS5 from Safe Mode so the console boots normally. Once back in the home screen, verify the system software version and check storage health in settings to confirm fixes took effect. If the console still boots to Safe Mode, use a USB drive with the full PS5 reinstall file and choose Reinstall System Software. This is more thorough but will wipe data. If problems persist, test with a different internal storage or contact support. Faulty drives can force safe mode returns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.